welcome back to my channel. So this is my first video in a really long time. I think I'm gonna start getting back into YouTube again. I really missed it, and I don't know, it was just fun doing it. So my first video back is gonna be a room tour of my dorm. Basically, I just wanted to make this video because when I was applying to UIC, I also had to pick like where I wanted to live, and so I was looking at the different dorm buildings because they have a couple here, and they had just opened this building. It's called the ARC building, the Academic and Residential Complex. They opened it up last semester, so in the fall. So I was searching on YouTube to see if there was anyone that was living here that had made one, so then I can like check it out and see if that's where I wanted to live. And I didn't see any because it's like a new building, so that's why I decided to make a video, because I'm sure that there's other future students or already current students that are thinking about living in the ARC and they want to see for themselves how it looks like. What's nice about this building is there's a Starbucks in it, so I kind of like that. So in the morning, like before I head to my classes, like I could get Starbucks or something. And there's also classes that are taking place here. I haven't had a class in this building, but there's some students that have. So there's just like really big like lecture halls here. And yeah, so I really like it. It's very clean, it's very like modern compared to the other ones, because like I've heard from like other people that live in the other buildings that it's just like gross, and there's like mold in the walls, and there's like, I don't know, like rats and stuff. So let's just get on with the video so you guys can see my dorm. Alright, so right now I am walking to my dorm, and we just have this key that like obviously lets us in our room. Okay guys, so this is the door that you enter from when you first are coming into my dorm. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you first walk in. So this is the view, and then right there in the corner is my roommate's fridge and microwave and her food like on top. And then over here is our closets. The first one is hers and the second one is mine. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. Inside I have my 4 drawers. I have like t-shirts, my pants, stuff like that in there. And then on top I just have like my perfumes and my lotions, and then some extra stuff on this side. This is just like all extras. And then in the middle I just have like all my gloves and hats and stuff, because it's like usually cold in Chicago. And then up there is all my cleaning stuff. And then on the other side of the closet I have all my clothes. So now I'm taking you guys to the bathroom. So this bathroom, we share it with 2 other roommates from the other room. That's where that door leads, and that's why we have 2 sinks. And over here is our sink area. We have some dishes there because like that's where we do dishes. And then this is my medicine cabinet. My roommate has one on her side. And now I'm just going to show you guys the bathroom what the 4 of us share. And not all the dorms here are like this. Most of them are like a mix of traditional and a suite. This is what a suite looks like here. But a traditional is where you share a bathroom and shower with the whole floor. I'm actually on the 8th floor, by the way. I didn't mention that. But yeah, so this is our room. We're actually color coordinating. I'm the one on the left and she's on the right. So I'm just showing you guys my case that I got off Amazon. It's so cute. It's like a rose gold. And literally like all my bedding, like my rug, my pillows, my comforter, the lights, they're all from Target. Just showing you guys like my light that I got from Target. Well, my boyfriend got it for me for Valentine's Day, but it's from Target too. And then I have my alarm clock, my candle, and then this is where my fridge and my microwave is. And then if you look outside, this is my view of the city. I actually am right by the blue line, which is the CTA train, and then over there is the city. Over here is my desk area, and that's like my calendar hung up right there. And this is where I do my makeup. So I got my makeup brushes, my mirror, And then on the other side, I have all my supplies for school, so like highlighters and index cards and all of that stuff. And on top of my desk, I have my books. And then down below, I have more makeup palettes, and binders. I just keep it down there. And then I have my coat. I'm always putting it on and off because obviously, like, I'm going outside all the time for my classes. And then over here is my cart, my food cart. I actually got this cart from Target. And on top, I have my Keurig, my fruit. I have my candy jar, my sugar for my coffee, and then on the second shelf I have my snacks, and then on the bottom I have my dishes, and then that's just my trash can right there. So yeah, that's my little side. And then that's a little bit of her side. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.